Yeah.
Hello friends, welcome to Vision Learning. Today we will start the metabolism of carbohydrates. This is the introductory class, and today I will tell you about how different types of carbohydrates, glucose, fructose, etc., they metabolize in our body and the different processes involved. So now students, we will discuss that how different types of carbohydrates present in different fruits, vegetables, grams and pulses get into our body, get metabolized into different metabolites. So let's begin. There are different types of carbohydrates like glucose, fructose, galactose, and many others, different bigger carbohydrates. We will take the example of glucose. As this glucose enters in our body through different types of food, it gets transferred into glucose 6-phosphate. Firstly, after glucose 1-phosphate, it gets transferred into glucose 6-phosphate. Now, if this glucose 6-phosphate gets turned into glycogen, the process is called glycogenesis. But if the glycogen is turned into the glucose 6-phosphate, it is called glycogenolysis. Through different processes, if this glucose 6-phosphate is turned into pyruvic acid, then further into lactic acid, that process is called glycolysis, means a breakdown of glucose. But if it's the reversal, that the pyruvic acid is turned again into glucose 6-phosphate, that is called gluconeogenesis. The further, for going into the citric acid cycle, or we call it Morley TCA, tricarboxylic acid cycle. It turned into acetyl-CoA. Then it enters the citric acid cycle, where carbohydrates, they release carbon dioxide, most probably. Then, through the citric acid cycle, it moves into the electron transport chain, converting different ADPs into ATPs. Through different processes, electrons are released and protons are released, and there are different processes. We will discuss them later one by one. So, continue for the part 2.